hope you can hear me because there's quite a lot of wind. So I am, at this moment in time, cycling to Warrington. I've just left Formby. The time is 3 minutes past 12 and I'm already been riding for nearly 10 minutes. I've just got onto what's called the Moss Road, which takes you alongside some nice forest field, nice little bit of single track. So the purpose of today's ride, yesterday I dropped my car off at Warrington Volkswagen to have an issue looked at which is causing a warning light on the dashboard, and it's still in warranty. However, Volkswagen and their dealer network aren't fantastic, so the earliest appointment I could get was 4 weeks from the time I made the appointment, which is on the 8th of June. So it went in yesterday and it took me 2 hours to get back from Warrington Bag King to Wigan Northwestern, and then from Wigan Northwestern to Southport then to Formby. So 3 trains. That whole process took me 2 hours, and actually probably a little bit longer because there was a bit of a delay due to a trespass on the line. So I thought to myself, could I cycle to Warrington? It's a distance of 30 miles, or just over 31 miles actually, going through the Sankey Valley. I thought, let's give that a go and see whether we can do it in just under 2 hours. Got to average around about 15 to 16 miles an hour. I'm currently at 15.6, so should be all right for that. So I am just over 5 miles in, and I would now be at the train station in Formby, having covered maybe just a mile. Yeah, the next train is not till 12:22. That's the Merseyrail to Sandhills. I'll have to change at Sandhills. So already I'm in front. So let's see how long we can keep it there. I should have said, this is my first ride in over 3 weeks. It's also my first ride in 6 weeks on this bike, as I tried to diagnose an annoying creak, but I don't know if you can hear it. It's still there. I've done everything, borrowing the headset. I don't think it's that. Sit rep. Just over halfway through the ride at 15.6 miles. I've been riding for just under an hour, and average speed 16.3, so not doing too badly. I'm on a bypass just outside of Rainford, known as the Rainford bypass, believe it or not. As you can see, this is about as interesting as it gets, so I won't really film much more. It is going to get interesting though a little bit later when I go through the Sankey Valley, as we've done that before on a fat bike. If you check my previous video, Sankey Canal video, I did it then. Yes, it's gravel, but fortunately weather's been nice and dry. Sure to get through that even on a road bike. So I'm now on the East Lancashire Road, which, believe it or not, is a road that runs through East Lancashire from Liverpool all the way to Worsley and Manchester. So just on this for a little bit, and we're going to do it right into like St Helens way. So again, nothing much to film, so I'll catch you in a bit. So just arrived at Carmill Dam. I am 20.6 miles in, an hour and 17 minutes worth of riding, and average speed of 15.9 miles an hour. So I'm about to go on a bit of a gravelly section down that bit under the bridge, and then this will get me onto the Sankey Valley. So we'll have to press on because we're a little bit behind now, I think. So yeah, we'll have to play catch up. Yeah, so I'm just on Sankey Valley Greenway, which, believe it or not, takes you through the Sankey Valley. It's not green though. So I'm going to be on this for a little bit now, all the way to Warrington pretty much. And last time I did this was on the fat bike, so it's weird having road bike pedalling efficiency. The only thing I'm a bit nervous of though, I've got no grip on these tyres, so I'm terrified of washing out and giving myself a gravel rash. Do I need a gravel bike? That's what I'm asking. Not for now. See you in a bit. car. We have arrived at Warrington Volkswagen. And how much is left on the clock? 1 hour and 59 minutes, just about. So yeah, the answer is, did I beat the train? Including the 20-minute walk from Warrington Central, I would say maybe a draw, but I've definitely had a lot more fun doing it. So, gonna go pick the car up now and go get some lunch with the £10.90 that I've saved while not getting the train. Might even be a little bit more than that. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and stay tuned for the next video. Ciao for now.